we have seen today rupee opening slightly stronger, close to 51 levels. And we have seen a little bit strength today, again moving towards 45, 75.45 levels. Internationally, dollar is really subdued. Market is awaiting Fed's policy decision tomorrow, which will be coming tomorrow. Nobody is expecting any interest rate cuts, but the future outlook would be important, as in what they think about the economy. So market is focusing on that. Again, on the negative interest rate, which market was betting till last month, has been totally written off after very good numbers on the job market posted on Friday. So nobody is expecting any negative interest rate scenario, but definitely an outlook on the US economy would be key for the world to decide where to take in from here. That has kept dollar on the slightly subdued part. Asian currencies are trading stronger today. Moreover, CNY, which we have seen a good amount of depreciation till last week, has appreciated slowly and steadily. Today, CNY is also trading stronger. So that is also supporting the local unit. Since almost quite a time, we have seen a range bound in the rupee, which is still expected because good amount of inflows are there. But RBI is also mopping up with all the excess dollars which are there in the market. So a range of 75.30 to 75.80 is still maintained. We are expecting the range to be there till the time we don't see a considerable breakdown on the dollar below 96. So rupee would be slightly with a stronger bias, but strong close to 75 odd levels. But a very big strength won't be seen because somehow since last couple of actions from RBI, what we have seen is RBI is not comfortable to push rupee much stronger beyond 75. So you will see again buying interest cropping up from 75.10, 75 levels. So importers have got an opportunity last week wherein we have seen a lot of import covers around 75, 75.10 levels. If any of the importers are still open, it is advisable to take some covers around 75 levels. And anything above 75.50, 75.65 levels should be considered as little bit hedging can be done from the exporters. But still range trading is seen in the rupee. So let's wait for tomorrow's market RBI Fed policy meeting. Let's see where they are taking the dollar or what are their prospects for the US economy going forward. But range trading is still seen. Thank you.